Hello everyone, today we are doing extraction of iron. This is a blast furnace where we get molten iron from its major ore, which is the hematite ore. Now, first, the charge is put in the blast furnace. Now, this charge includes three things. First is coke, which is the carbon, and limestone, which is CaCO3, and iron ore, which is hematite, which is Fe2O3. These three things are put in the blast furnace. Now, we'll look at the reactions involved in the process. Now, this is hot air from the outside is put in so that the coke reacts with the oxygen, hot oxygen, and is combusted to produce carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas moves up due to its density, it rises up, and this reacts with more coke, producing carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is still a gas and it rises up and it reacts with the hematite ore or Fe2O3, producing iron plus CO2. If you have to balance it, you have to put 3CO, 2Fe, and 3CO2. Now, this molten iron, this liquid iron, due to high temperature, this liquid iron will move down and is collected in D part because iron has a very high density, so it settles at the bottom. Now, the major impurity in hematite is silica. It has a major impurity which is silica SiO2. So silica. Now this silica is removed using limestone. Due to high temperature, limestone, which is CaCO3, decomposes to form calcium oxide and CO2. This calcium oxide reacts with the impurity which is silica and forms CaSiO3, which we call as slag, and the name of this slag is calcium silicate. This calcium silicate is collected in the C part. This is slag and this is molten iron. And the waste gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are removed. So this is how we get molten iron from a blast furnace. Thank you so much.